Hey yearbookers, here are 5 tips and tricks in order to ensure that every time you take a photo, it probably will look pretty good. Number 1, you want to always make sure you hold the camera or the phone, particularly, with 2 hands. When you hold with one, you're more likely to shake, get jolty, and you don't want that picture turning out blurry. Number 2, you have to consider lighting. It's probably the most important aspect of the whole thing. You always want to make sure that the light source is behind the camera, so that the light is shining onto the subject that you are taking a picture of. Number 3, don't be afraid to get close. That's how the good photos are taken, by getting close. You don't want to use that zoom tab too much because it ends up coming out kind of funny, the pixelation is weird, and ultimately it doesn't look as good in print. So you want to use the features of the camera. We'll learn more about things like portrait mode and using a grid on the camera in the video to come. But for now, just get in there. Just get up there and get as close as you can and take a solid photo. Number 4, you want a good mix of photos. You don't want to just stand in one place. You want to get around the space, try different angles of the exact same thing, try different perspectives, get there early, which takes me to my last part, which is plan ahead. Good photos are planned out in thought. If you want an action shot, you need to be ready, knowing that the action is about to happen so that you can snap the shot in the midst of the moment. If you want to get a bird's eye view, you have to go get up somewhere high and know that you have that shot. So often it requires showing up to the event a little early, getting a lay of the land, taking some wide angle shots to kind of see what's there, and then playing around with what your options are. 5 tricks, killer photos almost every time. I'll see you in class.